In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer Ethereum to Trezor. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to set up your Trezor hardware wallet to receive any amount of Ethereum. You will be able to transfer Ethereum from an exchange wallet like Binance, Coinbase to your Trezor, and you will need to generate an Ethereum address on the Trezor device and then initiate the transfer from your exchange account. So first, connect your Trezor device to your computer. This is going to be done with the provided USB cable, and once the Trezor device is properly recognized, you will be able to unlock your Trezor using your PIN and open the Trezor Suite application. If you haven't downloaded Trezor Suite, you will be able to find that on their official website, and this is where you will be able to manage all of your assets, including Ethereum. So open Trezor Suite after connecting your Trezor device to your computer, and in there you will be able to use the left-sided menu. Click on the plus sign to generate a new Ethereum-based wallet. Once you click on Ethereum, choose between send or receive, and in this specific case, you will select receive to generate a new address where you will be able to send your Ethereum over to. So copy the address generated on screen and navigate to your exchange account. Now, because this process will differ for every single exchange wallet, I won't be able to give you instructions for your specific one, but in general, the process is going to be roughly the same. All that you have to do is choose Ethereum and then select withdraw or send. Once you choose either of those options, you will be able to paste the Ethereum address generated by your Trezor into the withdrawal address field, double check the address for accuracy and all other information, enter the amount of Ethereum, and proceed with the transaction. Review all of the details, including any possible fees, and confirm the withdrawal. You can send a small amount first to make sure that everything works, and then send the remainder later, and like I said, you can repeat this process as many times as you wish. You will be able to manage your Ethereum on the newly generated wallet on your Trezor, and all that you have to do is copy the address when you used Trezor Suite. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Ethereum to Trezor. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.